how to generate monthly income, working with a Chinese mini excavator, how to make money. Welcome to my channel, where you'll discover practical techniques and proven secrets to turn ideas into income. Here, you'll find innovative solutions for your projects. Subscribe, leave a comment, and share your ideas. Together, we'll build the future. You won't believe how a mini excavator can become your new source of income. Stay until the end to discover an exclusive trick that only a few people know. Watch how this compact machine, weighing just 1 ton and equipped with a fuel-efficient 10-horsepower engine, enters a garden using steel alloy planks. It precisely digs trenches. Just imagine the fuel savings. Only 1 liter every 2 hours. Next, see how it digs foundations, with each operation carefully planned to maximize profit and reduce costs. In this part, we show how versatile the machine can be, clearing land and performing controlled demolitions with extreme safety. Pay close attention, because here comes a crucial detail. Mastering these services could become your greatest competitive advantage in the market. Now imagine applying this technology to landscaping, or even installing septic tanks and water cisterns. Every project reveals an untapped potential to generate extra income. With precise techniques, the machine easily adapts to different types of work, from planting to space maintenance. At this stage, observe how this compact 1-ton machine with a fuel-efficient 10-horsepower engine digs trenches with precision. This is another smart way to make money. What do you think? Here, we show once again how versatile the machine is, clearing land and planting olive trees with great safety. Pay attention. Here comes another key detail. Mastering these services could set you apart in the market. Every movement is designed to speed up the work while ensuring safety and efficiency. You won't believe how easily it turns complex tasks into profit opportunities. But the most surprising part is yet to come. Have you ever imagined if this machine could do even more? Stay with me and discover a secret that many people don't know. Now, check out this scene. The machine is being used in an innovative way for an unexpected task. Pay attention to the details. What you'll see next might change the way you look at this equipment's potential. And here it is, the fall of a large tree, carried out with the same precision and safety we've shown in every step of this video. This proves that, with the right technique, even the most unexpected challenges can turn into income opportunities. So what did you think of this innovative strategy? Leave a comment with your questions and suggestions. In the next video, I'll reveal even more secrets and surprising services that can transform your everyday life. Subscribe, like, and share so you don't miss a single tip. Thanks for watching.